Hello and welcome. Today I'm gonna talk about this mic, Rode Mic Pro. So this mic is amazing in many ways, in many forms, because it is attached to the camera, and then after that you can use it as a shotgun microphone. The main use of this shotgun microphone is when you are very close to the camera and using wide angle lens, like let's say like this lens, for example. This lens is I'm not sure is it showing correctly or not, but it is 1.4 millimeter. 15 millimeter 1.4 aperture. So what's the use of it? It's using this microphone with it. So when I'm using a 70 millimeter lens like the one that I'm showing you right now, I'm using with both these two Rode mics also, but they are wireless, and this one is not being used right now. So the only caveat of this microphone is the charging port. The charging port is type micro USB, and that's not easily being found these days, and you need to carry a cable for it. The battery life is pretty good, and the sensitivity you can adjust it through these buttons right here, and the power delivery is automatic. So these are the like when you stop recording, it stops. Sometimes when you stop recording, it doesn't stop, so you need to disconnect it from the 3.5 millimeter jack. It has a small base with shock absorption characteristics, so you can use it with the head. You can use it with the camera shoe mount to connect it, and using the 3.5 millimeter cable with it. So that's the Rode microphone when used in conjunction with the 15 or something like this millimeter lens. So here's the Rode, and here's the lens. So when using far-reaching lens like this one, so this lens is about 100 to 400, and when used to an APC sensor, it gives us more reach. It is image stabilized, and it's pretty heavy, pretty expensive, but it has many buttons and many functions right here, so you can use them to adjust the image stabilization. And also we have here small ring that can be tightened or loose depending on your preferences, so you can telescope it to the maximum diameter or maximum length with higher force or with lower force. So the latest piece of equipment that I'm going to show you is this one. This is the gimbal, the DJI gimbal. So usually you can attach the iPhone or the Samsung Galaxy phone right here, and it will steady your photography or your videos. So, and it has a telescoping arm, so you can connect it and have a selfie shot for yourself. So it's a nice addition to the arsenal of photography that you can do with it. This lens is about 50 millimeter. So like this dimension, or this far from the camera, I need to reach on to show you the extent of the how far away the lens is. So that's the 1.4 millimeter. It has a click on off, it has aperture, diameter, and also the automatic and manual focus, as well as the connecting with the lens hood. So this is how far is 15 millimeter is concerned. 50 millimeter, sorry. This is 15 millimeter and this is 50 millimeter. So these are the gear I'm using, and I can use it right now and have been using it for quite a while. The latest piece I'm gonna show you is the FX30 camera with 85 millimeter non-image stabilized 1.8 f aperture lens. So this is a prime lens, like many of the lenses that I've showed you before. The only exception is the 100-400, it's a zoom lens, but this is a prime lens. So I'm gonna show you the how the image look like also on it. And I'm using currently these connectors. I found it on a store in Paris. It's called, I forgot the name, but it's called Peak Design cables. So Peak Design cables give us the connectors, so we can connect these cables to this strap. This is like a strap that you can prolong and shorten, and these small red dots connect to the strap, and you can use it to disconnect or connect very fast manner. So this is in short the arsenal of photography. This is the DT990 Pro, which I'm using for editing, and it's open back headphones, so you can use it while listening to outside noises, so it doesn't disconnect you from the surroundings. And the other benefit, it's regarding the sound waves. Doesn't lock the sound waves into your ear. it's dissipating through the head space. So this is in short the audio and the video, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and see you next week.